Handa-handa na naman sa pangalawang laban. Tandaan po natin, panalo na tayo lahat sa puso ng Diyos sa gawin ito. Happy talaga lahat ang pamilya dito sa gawain natin sa mga natin. Happy, go. Handa na ba kayo? Okay. Kailangan ko.
Pwede ako konting katahimikan lang ho para marinig ko natin sila, no?
Tandaan po natin ang ano dito, audience impact. Baka i-plus ng ano yun, ng judges. Kaya po tayo lahat talaga makinig. At habang mic down. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Coming of the Lord is strolling in these woods to finally be prepared. But the Lord is waiting if you surrender your life today. Get your house in order for someday. Get your house in order today. Get your house in order, for Jesus is coming. For He'll come back again. So many hope has come in you in this world today. But God is able to fix it if you give your life to Him. Get your house in order for someday. Get your house in order today. Get your house in order, for Jesus is coming. For He's coming back
So the world seems sad, but my life is so sad. But as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. The world's so bad, but my house is sad. Me and my house, we will serve the Lord. What? Yeah, we will serve the Lord. What?
Ayan, salamat po. Alam niyo po ba na ang nag-compose po ng kantang ito is walang iba kundi si Pastor Len? Ayan po, palakpakan nga